As judgment continues flying in from the different tribunals around the country, Bola Ahmed Tinubu is experiencing heartbreak, fear, and tension as the tribunal judgment delivers justice involving a similar case involving Bola Tinubu. Alright, guys, in a stunning turn of events, the National and State House of Assembly Elections Petition Tribunal in Kano has rendered its verdict overturning the election of Moftar Umar Yerima, a candidate of the New Nigeria People's Party (NNPP), who was initially declared the winner of the House of Representatives election for Torani Federal Constituency by the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC). The three-man panel, led by Justice I.P. Chima, came to the unanimous decision that Yerima's election victory was legally untenable due to the revelation of a forged primary school certificate. The petitioner, Hafizu Kawu of the All Progressive Congress, presented compelling evidence that successfully established Yerima's use of fraudulent documents to bolster his eligibility. This judicial pronouncement has resounded implications as it signifies a triumph for the rule of law and underscores the importance of adhering to ethical and legal standards in the democratic process. The tribunal's ruling serves as a robust defense against any attempt to subvert the integrity of elections through deceptive means. In a pivotal movement during the proceedings, the tribunal meticulously analyzed the evidence presented before it. This included Yerima's purported change of name in 2022, in which was ultimately discredited based on the revelation that he had consistently used three different names, Umar Mokhtar Zakari, on his international passport since as far back as 2009. Furthermore, the primary school certificate at the center of the controversy issued by Hausawa Primary School was unequivocally disowned by the educational institution, casting further doubt on the veracity of Yerima's credentials. As a direct consequence of his landmark decision, all votes cast in favor of Yerima have been deemed void and ineffectual. The NNPC's participation in the election has been negated by the tribunal's ruling, leading to a recalibration of the electoral landscape in Tarauni Federal Constituency. The tribunal's directive to the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to retract Yerima's certificate of return adds a definitive layer of legality to this outcome. This action ensures that only candidates who meet the requisite qualifications and possess untarnished credentials are entrusted with the responsibility of representing the interests of the constituents. The reverberations of this ruling are likely to extend beyond the confines of the specific constituency involved. It sends a resounding message to aspiring political figures across the nation that the pursuit of political office demands a steadfast commitment to upholding the highest standards of ethical conduct and adherence to the law. The tribunal's decision serves as a beacon of hope for the preservation of the democratic ideals upon which the Nigerian political system is founded. This also serves as a warning and a resounding order to the justice in the Presidential Tribunal Election Petition Tribunal not to be in a haste to deliver judgment, but to look at the facts and make sure that all allegations are cleared beyond reasonable doubt before a winner is announced. Anyway, this may seem the reason why the results and the judgments of the Presidential Election Tribunal proceedings have been waiting up till this time, and up till now, we do not yet know the date when the judgment will be pronounced. All fingers crossed, hopefully the judgment will be announced soon, and all judgment will be according to the Constitution of Nigeria. We have seen various instances where people have been proving that Bola Ahmed Tinubu did not have the required result and his result was forged. There were so many discrepancies in the results presented, and these are the same discrepancies that led to the disqualification of this Yerima in the election. Can such come ahead in front of Tinubu? If it does, then the judges will be steadfast in their judgment, they will need to be firm, and nothing will happen. Remember, people are watching. all eyes on the judiciary. I will keep updating you on what is happening. Make sure to subscribe if you want to stay ahead with the information I have for you. And thanks for watching.